Hey guys, Anthony here with Advanced Vector, and today we're going to be reviewing something that's not quite so technical, but they're still super awesome. I did purchase it on Amazon myself. It was not given to me or gifted to me for a review, so I want to keep my reviews as honest and unbiased as possible. So, jumping right in here, I ordered 2 packs of these pens. I used to use them a lot when I was in the Marines. We used them as map pens now. I know it says that they are permanent, but they do come off of like laminated maps or anything that can be laminated with a little bit of hand sanitizer and a rag or alcohol. These things are super high quality. They don't dry out. At least they haven't dried out in several years. The other thing that I really like about them is they got this super fine point. So let's go ahead and take a look at those. And here we can see these are the ones that I just ordered. I will post the listing of my order in the description of the video here. But yeah, so I've got I've got a little monster card that I printed out and laminated. It's pretty neat to be able to make these. But we'll give them a test. So we'll do a small stripe of each color. I mean, maybe not even a small one. I'm confident in these things. So, you know, there we can see we've got some stuff in black on there. I also really like the carrying case that these come for. You know, in a more normal environment, now that I'm not in the military, I guess it's not as critical. It still does keep them nice and organized and whatnot, but having something like that to throw in your pack definitely kept your pens from getting destroyed or anything like that. So we can see nice thin lines, very accurate, super nice for the kind of markers that you can use to write on any kind of lamination. So again, we'll do a few things here just to kind of see the different colors. They do have a larger pack, I believe, that has 7 different colors in it. But for our purposes, I just needed something that had just a few different colors to mark some different things. You know, if I wanted to outline my hit points or anything like that. So, like I said, these things can be completely just wiped off with alcohol. But before I do that, okay, so I've actually let this set for just a few minutes, and we can see if I rub on these, you know, it's not just going to accidentally rub off. In fact, it's not even. Let me come in a little closer here. It's not even smudging, and I'm putting a pretty. Oh, there we can see it starting to come off a little bit with just some of the oils that are naturally on my fingers. But really, I mean, I'm pushing really hard and rubbing a lot. Same thing if we get just a dry paper towel here. You know, I mean, I'm pushing down really hard. You can probably hear nothing's happening. So I've got a little bit of just your standard equate 91% isopropyl alcohol here. We'll just dampen that paper towel a little bit, and then like magic it rubs off. So super great if you're writing on lamination and stuff a lot. I know that they make those you know, wet erase pens and stuff like that, and I guess that would say these are very similar to that. In fact, for all I know, they use the same kind of ink. But super great kit. I highly recommend them. I've been using them for years. They're tough. They don't dry out. They have good color, and you know, that precision point is really what does it for me. Let me know what you guys think about that. If you use these, you know, let me know what your experience is with them, and if you guys use them for other things, let me know. They're fantastic. I've pretty much used them my whole life just for writing on laminated surfaces and whatnot. But you know, according to the listing and everything, you should be able to write on a lot of different surfaces with these. So if you use it for something else, definitely let me know. It'll spark ideas that I could use these nice pens for. Alright guys, I think that's going to wrap it up for this one. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, leave a comment below. Tell us what we're doing wrong and we'll be happy to correct it. Until next time, keep shopping and stay happy.